good, people? I'm in a good space right now because I found some good shit. You want to hear about it? Let me tell you something. All right, what I got here. Now, before I explain it, this is something that I haven't ran into until recently. Like normally you get a hair oil, it got that nice smell to it, that perfumed scent, that something that smells good that you would want to put in your hair, right? Something that's gonna be like, oh shit, I don't mind my shit smelling like that. Sometimes there's some chemical shit like the sulfate, of course. Yeah, they got those. Boom, that's chemical, that's different. Got that. But most of the time you get that nice scented shit, right? What I didn't know is the real deal oils for your hair. They smell like cooking oil. See, it threw me off because I didn't ask no questions. I didn't get the information. This is some shit I just learned. Okay, so I opened the shit. Boom. This the shit. Open it. I go to smell it. I look at it. Same color as cooking oil too. This ain't no motherfucking cooking oil. Fuck it. Use it. Shit works great, my nigga. Let me tell you something. Tea tree oil from D-Field. Never heard of them. Premium natural hair oil. For real, for real. Prevents itchy, dry scalp, stimulating the growth. Boy, for the dry, this the shit I've been looking for. This the shit I need. This is my golden egg right here, you feel me? And I obtained this from my girl's mom's husband. The man is straight Jamaican. Came from the island. So they had this. She was like, oh, have some of this, because her mom's just started the lodge. You remember I told you that. So boom, we got this good shit. Boy, I put this in my head with the 3 stripes, run it down after the shower. Ain't got to use it no more. I'm good, I feel normal now. My shit is moisturized 24/7. I ain't even do shit to my hair yet. It's been like a week, I feel so great. Shit ain't dry. I ain't gotta worry about waking up in the morning. I got hella flakes. Shit all hella dry. I just look like an ashy snake. Nah, nigga. I'm moisturized today. I got time today, cuz.
Today I got time, cuz.
I got time today. So, I'll go ahead and let y'all know this is about 10 out of 10 right here. For me, for what I got going on, it's about 10. I needed this. I've been looking for this. This shit gonna last me. I'll tell you something. This is gold. This is what I needed, my nigga. Why ain't y'all tell me? Why didn't y'all tell me about this? It ain't y'all fault, y'all ain't know. Maybe y'all did. But now I know. So I'm good. If you got some more type shit, boy, you need to get some of this right here. Get you some, cuz. This shit is the bomb.com. I'm talking goat shit. Bruh. You're gonna have to get some of this. If you got extra dryness, bro, what are you doing? Put down the Selsun Blue. Throw away the Head and Shoulders. My nigga, get you some of this. All you need. Get you some of this, drink you a lot of water, try to get on a healthy diet, you gotta force yourself, do your thing. But then, you know what I'm saying, you be alright. You be good. I had to let y'all know about this shit, boy. Boy, I'm ready to take a shower, put some more in my head. That's how good this shit is. Yeah, I'm for real. Till next time, I'm gonna keep using this. Y'all ain't gonna see no more oils for a little bit. I'll let you know. Till next time, man. I'm gonna peep y'all later. Catch y'all on the flip side. Feel me? Do my thing. And I'm keep it healthy, keep it locked, do your thing.